All right, we're here at the SEMA Show at the Oracle Lighting booth, and we're checking out the Oracle Lighting Vega series lights. So the Vega 2 and 4 have been out for a while now, but what you'll notice is we've got some really cool new accessories to go along with these very popular lights. The linking system allows you to link up the 4 or the 2 into a full LED light bar. So you can make this as long or short as you want with our new linking system. We also have new lens covers. This allows you to easily change the color just by snapping on a clear lens. Up here, we've got our new flush panels for the Vega light. Swap on one of these to be able to mount your Vega light flush. You probably see other manufacturers make this too. What Oracle does different is we actually have these available in different angles. So you can actually customize this to fit just about any build. So if you've got a roof rack up here and you want to put a light up here, but you don't want it shining straight across the parking lot, we've got it set up where you can actually build in an angle. It still looks totally flush, but actually projects down towards the ground where you can actually use the light. So Oracle Lighting is continuing to innovate and bring you guys awesome products. Be sure to check out oraclelights.com for more information about these and other great products we have here at the SEMA Show.